Well, Tricia, it looks more like arts and crafts than a real gardening project.
Well, actually, Danny, it's both. Arts and crafts, supervised, of course, with the children, and a plant project. What we've done is taken a soda bottle, and we want to cut it and either use a rubber band or possibly some blue tape or even a marker to mark off where you're going to cut it.
Just to keep it nice and even
To
around.
make it nice and even.
Okay.
And as you can see, we've cut just this much of the bottle off because what we're going to do is invert it into the bottle.
Okay.
Now, I've already taken this bottle and done just exactly that.
Now, how are you keeping the soil from falling down through there?
Well, we put the soil in here, and as you can see, I've put a little piece of paper towel,
Oh,
which is
okay.
biodegradable, at the bottom, but if somebody has maybe some mesh or some fabric, they could put that in there too. The whole idea is that when you put the seedlings in and water it, eventually you're going to create enough moisture that it needs to release, and it's going to release through the hole at the bottom of the bottle.
Okay, so it would drip down there, but actually, I guess you still are creating some nice humidity down in there for the
Just
plant.
a little bit of passive humidity, it's a great idea.